Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and it's your girl Kerizi here, and it is Vlogmas day 13.
25 days of love and laughter, memories we'll be keeping after, family crafts and cozy dreams. Kerizii's world is full of gleams, so give this video a thumbs up too. Come and share, it's all for you. Subscribe and stay, don't miss a thing. Let's make the season shimmer and sing. It's Vlogmas with Kerizi.
Alright guys, so right now I'm about to bulk season all the meat that I bought. So I only got chicken. I didn't have any space for the fish, so I never pick it up. So I'm about to go in and season all of that now, and then maybe start cooking, or might just put it in the freezer. I don't know. Let's see what my energy is giving once I have completed that. So I know I need to cut up some onions.
Being one arm thing is getting so tiring and redundant. I'm tired of it. But apparently I have a few weeks left. I'm on the right track for healing and stuff. So I'm in a market today. Okay, so yeah, there's that, and then my jacket. This jacket I've had since I lived at my parents. Left, came back, and I still have it. I love it so much. I have both colors. I have black. I have this beige. I love this for every time you just want to look a bit more put together on a day-to-day basis, on a regular day with sneakers or Uggs. I just put this on. See, now my sleeve is stuck, and I don't have the strength to pull it out. So I just put this on. It looks so good. It never does me wrong. And I want to wear a scarf. I was thinking of putting on my leopard scarf.
Alright guys, so right now we're gonna go ahead and bulk season everything. So right now I have 3 containers, and that's gonna be 3 different seasonings. So I'm gonna be doing, this is going to be sweet and sour chicken, this is gonna be stewed chicken, and that's gonna be curry chicken. I always start off my seasoning with garlic, and my hand's very heavy with the garlic. Alright, so then we're gonna go paprika over this one. Then I'm gonna go ginger. Alright, then I'm gonna go get over so much of the other ginger now. Guys, for me, there's this thing I look for where I feel like the meat must have the right level of color. I don't even know if it makes sense, but that's just what I look for when I cooking. So to me right now, this don't have enough color on it for it to be properly seasoned. Alright, now this to me is the right light level of seasoning. So this to me is what I'd consider like a light seasoning that's going to be battered and stuff. So that's one thing seasoned. Ooh, and about Kahai, yeah. Come check out the browning for me. Alright guys, so I've run all my mom errands for the day. It's now 5 o'clock and I'm just about to make something to eat. So after 2, I'm gonna make the curry chicken because I think that's easier for me to cook right now than the stew chicken. So yeah. Alright. And I'm also going to burn the curry a little. Where's the spoon rest? So you guys can see. The curry they can use like a bit more color. Little troops. Alright guys, we're at the end. The DJI is charging. So this is what we have here for the finished product of the curry chicken and boiled dumpling. Also we made cake. So they just came out of the oven. So we're gonna make that cool. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So I have the next chicken that's currently seasoned in the refrigerator. So in the morning, I'll know if I have the energy to cook it or not. If I do have energy to cook it, I'm going to throw it in the freezer. And then it will be my in the week option. Well, one off, as you guys can see. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and comment below. Until next time, it's your girl Kerizi. Bye guys.